Hey everyone, this is Mobile Merchant. Today I have another incredible money making application to share with you guys. And with this application, all you have to do is roll dice, which you can do a couple times every single day. And with those rolls, you get tickets, which you can then spend on different items that will be shipped directly to your home address. So it's very easy, very simple to use. And before I show you guys what the app is and how to use it, if you want more awesome money making videos showing you how to massively grow your income online, remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel. Okay, so the app I'm going to show you guys today is called Dice, and you can see it right up here in the top left corner of my screen. So now let's open that up. And you can see here when you first open it, you're going to be brought to this home page where it asks you if you want to roll your dice. And in the top left corner here, you can see that you have a certain number of rolls. So right now I have 14 rolls left. And each day, you can see here there's a wheel, and you can spin this wheel to get some more rolls. So you can see there that I do have a 23-hour timer since I just used it right now. So it'll be a while before I'll be able to spin again. You can do it once per day. And then over here, you can see that there are daily doubles. So each time you roll doubles, which I'll show you guys later, hopefully, it will light up one of these rows depending on which one you got. So if you got double ones, it'll light up this row of 2 ones. And if you fill it all the way up, you'll get the jackpot. And the jackpot will add up as you get more doubles. So it's another cool little feature that they have, but you have to know that they will reset your daily doubles after a certain amount of time if you don't complete the entire set. So you want to make sure that if you're like almost there, that you get enough rolls and you roll enough times that you finish it off, so you can get your jackpot number of tickets. And then another thing here are the tickets, which I'll go into later, but this is the prize that you get for rolling. And with that, you can get your different rewards and different prizes. Okay, so let me show you guys how a roll works. So you can see here it says tap and hold to roll. So let me just do that. And then you can see there, it'll roll. So I rolled a 6, and you can see here it says 6 times 1 will give me 6 tickets total. So you can actually spend more than one roll for each time that you roll. And you can do that by going here. So you can see that you can do times 2, times 3, times 4, and times 5. And for each times that you do, it'll take out that number of rolls. So let's say you do times 3, then you will subtract 3 rolls each time you roll. But it'll also give you 3 times whatever you roll. So if you roll a 6, then you do 6 times 3, and you'll get 18 tickets. So let me just give you guys an example of that. And let me tap on times 3. So you can see here that now it's changed the picture from the 1 to the 3. And now I'll roll again. And you can see there that I used up 3 rolls. And I got doubles, actually. I got 2 3s. So it gives me 6 plus 6. And now I can also multiply that by 3. So I get 12 times 3 gives me 36 tickets total. So that's how the multiplier works. I'll do that again. I'll do it for 5 now. So you'll see that this 10 will become 5 because it'll use up 5 rolls. And it'll multiply whatever I get by 5. And you can also see right here that my jackpot now is at 150 tickets. So like I said, in order to get the jackpot, you need to get all the different doubles. So you need to get double 1s, double 2s, double 3s, all the way down to double 6s. And when you fill it all the way up, you'll get these the jackpot number of tickets. So now let me roll once again. And this time it's times 5, as you can see right there. And now you can see that I got a 7. I got 1 and a 6. So I got 7 times 5 will give me 35 tickets. And also you can see up here that the number of tickets that I've had have been increasing as I have been doing my rolls. So let me roll one last time. Since I have 5 rolls left, I'm doing the times 5 multiplier. And let's see what I get. So there you go. I got 7 again. And now I got another 35 tickets. So there. And now I'm out of rolls, which means I can either wait until tomorrow, or until this timer finishes up for the wheel, because then that'll give you some more rolls. Or there are a few other options that you can do to increase the number of rolls that you have. So one way is just to buy them. If you go right here to the rolls, you can see here that they do have in-app purchases, and with those in-app purchases, you can buy some more rolls. So you can see there, $1 will give you 30 rolls, and all the way down to $99.99, or pretty much $100, which will give you 4,500 rolls. I feel like that'll take forever to go through, but if you want to increase your tickets really quickly, feel free to go for that, and you can get a good number of prizes, I'm guessing, since that's a lot of rolls. And then another way to get more rolls besides waiting for the spin or buying them yourself is to go right here. And if you go here, you can see that this is the action feed is what they call it. And there are multiple different methods that you can do, which will allow you to increase your number of rolls. So you can see there, you can get instant rolls. And, well, okay, that's just buying them, which is what I already showed you guys. But you can also, you can watch a video. So you get 1 roll for watching a complete video. So this is just going to be an advertisement, like many of the other apps I've shown you guys before. And what you have to do is, you can see there are, I guess, 3 videos on this one. This one is going to be 10 seconds first. And once those 10 seconds are up, we'll be able to go to the next ad. Okay, so you can see the counter there. It's counting down. And there you go. So now we can go next page. And now we are on ad 2 out of 3. And it's another 10 seconds. Like I said, you don't have to watch the entire thing. All you have to do is just wait for these 10 seconds at the top here to go to 0. And then you can click on the next page button, which is locked right now, but now it's unlocked, and now we can tap it again. And then now we're on the 3rd video of another 10 seconds. And once this is done, we'll be able to get our extra roll. And I don't know if there's a limit to the number of times you can do this, but if you can do it multiple times. Okay, so you can see right there, it says check back in 5 minutes. So it takes 5 minutes for you to be able to get another extra roll by watching videos. There's other methods you can do here. There are many, like I said. So you can also do surveys. You can take theorem reach surveys or tap research. So just a standard survey where they just ask questions that they need to do for their research, I guess. And you can see here, you can get 5 rolls through this theorem reach survey. So that's another method. It's surveys, watching videos, buying them, and you can also complete more offers. And there are over 1,000 rolls possible. That's what it says here. So you can see here there are different things you can do. You can download different apps like this Magic Piano by Smule, and it'll give you 44 rolls. Or you can do Hulu, which will give you 134 rolls. And there are many different things you can do here, different apps you can download, and they'll give you different amounts of rolls. So that's another quick and easy way to get rolls, just by downloading apps. And I've shown you guys how to do that before too, with different money-making applications. So I'm not going to go into too much detail there. And you can see here, you can also invite friends, I think using Messenger. And you can see right there, it says 30 rolls for each friend that joins with your friend code. So it's like a referral code. You give them this code. There's my code. I'll put it in the description along with the download link so you guys can get this app easily. And every time someone uses it and joins the Very Dice app, then you will increase your number of rolls by 30 for each friend. So that's another quick way and very easy way to get more rolls if you want. And it's pretty much like any other app that has referrals. Just give them the code, they enter it, and you get a prize. So there's that. And you can also do this abcmouse.com thing. And I don't know what that is. You just sign up for something for free and you get 50 rolls. So there's another way. There are many different ways, like I said, to get more rolls. You don't have to wait for one day if you are impatient or you want to get a prize really quickly. And so yeah, there's many different ways you can do that. And then with your tickets, I'm going to show you guys the different prizes that are actually available for you to buy with your tickets. And you can see here, there's different levels or amounts of tickets that you need. So there's 2,000, 4,000, 6,000, all the way up to 20,000 and above. And you can see that there are a few different prizes too. So you can get like little kids' toys. You can get, is that makeup? Some sort of makeup thing. You get a yo-yo. You can get top ramen. And yeah, just basic items, home items that are available to buy. And all you have to do is just give them your address once you have enough tickets, and they will send it directly to your home. So it's pretty cool, actually. You can also redeem gift cards, and it says here it's coming soon, and they're going to be adding the ability for you to use your tickets towards gift cards. And if you are interested in that, then all you have to do is tap right here, yes, I'm interested, and they will be adding that soon. So you're not just limited to having items shipped directly to your house. If you can't get those items for whatever reason, I believe they'll be able to start emailing gift card codes really soon using this application. And then, so yeah, that's the 2,000 level, and let's go all the way up to the 20,000 level and see like what the best rewards are. So you can see here, there's like a fancy mouse, a quadcopter thing, a pull-up bar, a slow cooker. There's just like really fancy, cool items that you want to try out, I guess, if you had enough tickets. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this app. Like I said, it's very simple to use, very easy, and you can do it once per day, or you can get a lot of rolls in one day if you really wanted to. So yeah, that's about it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, and remember to subscribe to the Mobile Merchant YouTube channel for more tips on maximize your income online and at home.